This is the right side, Amber. You see the holes? So what they did, they put bricks to block it. But this is your foundation.
Hey Amber, look at the end result, how amazing it looks like. We filled in all the cracks, the holes, we installed back the river rock stones, we mixed it with high PSI concrete and hydraulic cement. We added some strength and durability to the perimeter. Hey Amber, this is the girder beam, the new girder beam, the new piers and posts that we installed right by the perimeter to add some strength and stability to the perimeter. Looking great. Hey Amber, these are the sister piers and posts that we installed to the existing girder beams, just to add additional strength and support to the structure.